I just want to know, like, according to your own opinion, like, how much do you think, like, the cheapest haircut in Uganda in very local salon?
Local salon.
Very local.
It's like 2,000.
2,000, huh?
Yeah, yeah.
So, in a local salon, it only costs 2,000, and I'm doing that challenge, guys. We're gonna find this. So finally, I found one salon here, guys. You can see behind me, it's looking so local and down. But let's get to see, and maybe this is where we can end the challenge, guys. So this is the salon. Hi, brother. How are you? Fine?
Fine now.
Yeah. Your name? Hello, guys. Fine?
Julius.
Yeah, Julius.
Yeah.
How much does it cost for the haircut, like the side haircut?
2000.
2,000. Like how many years, like
10
experience?
years.
10 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Yo guys, Kamavinga is done. Finally the haircut is done. And I just want to rate the haircut. And before that, I want to say Hala Madrid to all the Madrid fans. So first have a look. Okay, anyway, you guys who are watching, just give honest review about this haircut. Like, to be honest, it is about talent, it's about experience, it is about the result and the work. And this guy really did a lot of amazing work. He's really talented, guys.